Well, they possess magnificent hearts with heartbeat rates around 1,250 beats per minute and breathe as much as 250 times per minute. Their hearts move so fast that it possibly cannot be captured on a regular heart monitor. This picture here shows just what the hummingbird in flight looks like. But their heartbeat has its use. It's so high because hummingbirds have been known to use 10 times more oxygen in their muscles than an Olympic athlete. Just like the heart, the rest of the bird's body adjusts. Like airplanes undergoing a quick refuel, so is the action of the hummingbird. The conversion from liquid to fuel in the wings is rather quick. To sustain their body's high energy consumption, the hummingbird's digestive tract can depend completely on sugar as sustenance. In as little as 30 minutes, food consumed has been converted and put to use. Let's not forget the balance and accuracy of their wings. Several lab tests have been conducted blasting their wings in various directions, but the head of the bird doesn't change direction. Scientists once studied a hummingbird while in a windy tunnel feeding. As is shown in this picture, the bird's body is much more stable at the beak tip and slightly shaky at the torso. Feats like this aren't just coincidence. This was done so the hummingbird can draw nectar without causing damage to the flowers. The legs of the hummingbird, though, have practically been equalized to nubbins, not used in walking but for the accuracy flying in low altitudes. Aside the uninteresting section that is their legs, hummingbirds are highly impressive creatures and surely worth more attention than they get. Hey there! Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single one of our videos.